So in this video, we're going to look at the process of backing up your Salesforce data. And to do that, we're going to use the inbuilt system that comes free with your Salesforce org and gives you the ability to run a scheduled report of all of your data and to run that on a weekly, monthly basis at a set time and download all of your data into separate files which you can then store on your desktop or with in your server environment. So let's just go and see how we set that up. I'm just going to go into setup and I'm just going to type in the word export, and now we'll go to the data export section. And this is where we actually set up our export services. It actually says weekly export service, although you can widen that out to monthly, but you can't go any less, which is a great shame, because if we could do daily, that would be fantastic. If we want to schedule an export, click on schedule export button, and then we get some choices here. Do we want to export everything? So if I've got a lot of uploads of images and files and so on, I mean, that would be a big export to do, because those types of files can take up a lot of space. Or I can just go for a kind of a standard export. I can go weekly. I can pick my day. It then gives me a choice of start and end dates and preferred start times, and we can then decide which objects do we want to back up. Do we want to just back up everything, which is the default, or are we only really interested in backing up accounts and opportunities, etc., and the rest of the stuff we could live without. Once we've set that up, we'll get an email. Let's just pop over and have a look at one that came in earlier. So here's an email to me that says the data's ready. I then click on the link. It doesn't send me the files in the email. I have to go to Salesforce and download those files. And so now it's taken me to a page with the download link for a zip file. I've only got one file in here at the moment because it's a fairly new org. There's not lots of data in there. If you've got a lot of data and you are downloading images, attachments as well, then you may get multiple files here. If I want to download that, I just click on the download and then I just press save, and then save that to my network or my desktop. And that's it really. That's all there is to it. It's a fairly simple service. It's a fairly unknown service. Most clients aren't aware of it and aren't using it. It's something we do on a regular basis for clients, even sometimes when they don't know we're doing that. And certainly when we go to do any kind of heavy lifting work on an org, we'll certainly run a full backup before we do that. And it's quite an invaluable tool and very, very useful. So hope you enjoyed watching that. If you've got any questions regarding backing up your Salesforce data, please don't hesitate to click the link below. Have a chat with us about it. We'll be very, very happy to talk to you. Hope you've enjoyed watching, and speak soon.